That was a nice tree too. But everybody be met out sitting right here, so I guess once I was like, nah, y'all ain't finna be doing that no more. Man, this storm something else. Oh, look at these motherfuckers right here, man. I'm gonna walk into a graveyard that's flooded. Is you stupid? Are you gonna make it through there? Shit crazy, son. Most I ain't playing with these folks right now, man. Like a little river. Graves flooded out. It was in there trying to fix them. Like, I don't know how y'all gonna do it. Yeah, y'all better not walk up in there. Y'all was about to. You got your man watching you. Oh, Lil Mong's homie. You know what I'm saying? That's your man's. Your man's watching over you, son. Yeah, that's Lil Mong stuff. You know what I'm saying? Them a Papa Boo. They put it together, B. That's what they Papa Boo talks about. You know what I'm saying? They whole little conquest and conquer everyone in the world. Or religion. What's high on that ass now? And that's my papaya tree right there too. They go to the so-called archangel who be slaying the dragon, which is Humanakas. Got knocked over by the wind, which is the breath. The sun coming out as I see it. All the praise and glory to the Most High. We ain't seen the sun in days. This came through just for us, just right now. Sent 2 tropical storms, man. Flooded their little cemetery and all that, man. What's not playing this season? Man, this came out of nowhere. Just started to do all of this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Flies came out of nowhere on me. I guess this is what else happens, huh? You know, we got a river going that way. Y'all see that? Yeah. I didn't know how the car's gonna do that. Meanwhile, I can get old little wrinkle up over there. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta probably move around. Smell like shit and piss and everything. It's crazy. Yeah. Boy, them flies mad at me because they all over me now. Oh, man. Y'all hear him in the background? Going crazy. A waterfall over there. Look at that. Like a mudslide or something about to pop off. Let me go ahead and move around. I'm gonna hit these graves right here too. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up. It's getting wider and bigger. I hear people crying and doing all that. It's getting big. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Same street when a mother tried to throw something at me in the car. After the car kept going and shit. I remember that. Meanwhile, Naga walking down the street eating some ginger. They're looking at me like, God damn, man. Like Tommy, like you supposed to be not relaxed like me, motherfucker. They don't know, it might be a daggone mud thing coming down, man. People going down that way don't even know why they're going. Don't even know what they're going down and shit. You know, they so egotistical and arrogant and that shit. It's crazy. Well, that storm, they cut that tree down. Storm said, I got your ass back now. Yeah, that shit look like straight, it smell like shit down here, boy. Woo, they done flooded up in there. Damn. But they want to kick niggas off the beaches and shit? Now look what. Once I was like, alright, whatever, I got you. Look at that shit. Cause it ain't been nothing but bones and nasty ass meth addicts on the beach, man. Man, do something to get these people up out of here, see? Look at this shit. Do something. Most I like, I gotta do something. You see this nasty shit. That's what they do. When they come out here, man. These is people from America, man. Coming out to Hawaii and leaving all the trash